Hello, this is Shazad in another video uh, for necessary pattern for artificial intelligence. In this video, we will learn about the match and case statement. The match and case statement in Python are a feature introduced in Python 3.10 as part of the structured pattern matching. This feature allows you to create a clear and concise way to handle the multiple conditions similar to the switch statement found in other programming languages. So how do the match and case statement first? Let's find out. So here we have the code to execute if the expression matches the pattern, the first one. Then we have case pattern 2, code to execute the expression matches the pattern 2, and last we have the default denoted by the underscore. This is the code to execute if no pattern match similar or to default in other languages. So let's do an example. Let's say we have a variable d which has its value Monday, and we have a structure of match, and we provide the variable t to match with different cases. Okay, the first case is Monday, and we can print if this is the case, then we can print start of week. Second case, we have let's say Friday. No. And if this matches, we can print almost week end. And third case, we could write like case Saturday, and we have to use and bitwise and operator here. Sunday, after this we can print as that it's weekend. And as a default case, we could write like something regular weekday. So let's give it a try. So what it's saying under unterminated literal detected at line 8. That is Sunday. Okay, okay. We haven't given uh, and again here. Okay, what's wrong here? Okay, we haven't given this one, and neither we almost here. Okay, okay, now it's working. So we declared a variable where we stored a value Monday here, and below we give the match structure and provided different cases to match it with the day variable. The first was Monday, that was that is a true in this case, and when this was true, it executed this statement print start of the V. If let's change it to Friday and execute now, so it's saying almost weekend. And the third case is Saturday or Sunday. No matter what we write, it will execute. That's Sunday. So it's weekend. Even if write Saturday, it will also execute either we write Saturday or Sunday. The same print its weekend will be executed. For any other day, like Thursday, or day, it will execute as a regular weekend. Because and if we write let's say A, even then it will execute as a regular weekday because we haven't supplied any specific use case for uh, double A for that. So it defaulted to the default case, which is denoted by the underscore, and that's why it is executing this particular statement. So this was all about the matching case statement. If you like this video, please hit like and comment if you have any question about it. Thank you very much for watching.